Greetings, architects, and welcome home. This is Nefertiti. Before we get started, go ahead and hit the like button now so you don't have to think about it later. And if you haven't done so, please subscribe, as everything I produce is intended to expand your consciousness and bless your life. So welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to this enlightening video on the 12 universal laws. Previously, I made a video on the 12 disciples, which represent the 12 disciplines of the mind. Today, we embark on a journey to explore the fundamental principles that shape our reality and govern the universe itself. Join me as we delve into each law, accompanied by real-life examples that will help us to understand their profound impact. Let's begin. First, we're going to start with the law of divine oneness. The law of divine oneness states that everything in the universe is interwoven. We are all part of a single and vast energy field. Imagine a time-lapse video of a tiny seed transforming into a magnificent tree. As the tree grows, it relies on the sun's energy, the nutrients in the soil, and the water it absorbs. Every element in this ecosystem is interconnected, working in harmony to nurture the tree's growth. Just like that tree, we too are intertwined with the world around us. Our thoughts, actions, and energy reverberate through the web of life, influencing others and shaping the reality we experience. The second law is the law of vibration. The law of vibration tells us that everything in the universe, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, is in a constant state of vibration. Consider the power of sound waves. When we strike a tuning fork, it vibrates at a specific frequency, creating a sound wave that travels through the air. Now imagine placing that tuning fork near a bowl of water. As the sound waves pass through the water, they cause ripples to form, visible evidence of the vibration. This demonstrates the law of vibration in action, showing how energy moves and interacts, shaping the world around us. The third law is the law of correspondence. The law of correspondence teaches us that the principles and patterns present in the macrocosm are reflected in the microcosm and vice versa. Let's explore the fascinating spiral pattern found in nature. Look at the magnificent galaxies swirling in vast cosmic spirals, echoing the shape of a seashell. But the spiral pattern doesn't stop there. It can also be observed in smaller forms, such as the intricate spirals of a sunflower or the elegant curves of a nautilus shell. This remarkable correspondence highlights the interconnectedness and harmonious design found throughout the universe. The fourth law is the most popular law, the law of attraction. The law of attraction states that like attracts like. Our thoughts and emotions emit a vibrational frequency that attracts similar experiences into our lives. Let's dive into an inspiring story. Imagine a person who consistently visualizes their dream job. They hold a positive attitude and they take inspired action towards their goals. They align their thoughts and emotions with the vision they want to manifest. As a result, the energy they emit resonates with opportunities and circumstances that align with their desires. The law of attraction beautifully illustrates how our inner world influences and magnetizes our outer reality. Now we have the fifth law, the law of inspired action. The law of inspired action emphasizes the importance of taking purposeful action aligned with our desires. It is the bridge between our thoughts and their physical manifestation. Let me share a remarkable journey with you. Picture a passionate musician who dreams of performing on stage. This individual doesn't just visualize success, but takes inspired action. They dedicate themselves to daily practice, they seek out performance opportunities and connect with influential people in the music industry. By aligning their actions with their aspirations, they accelerate their journey towards success. The law of inspired action propels us forward and empowers us to transform our dreams into tangible reality. The sixth law is the law of cause and effect. The law of cause and effect, also known as karma, states that every action has a corresponding consequence. We reap what we sow. Consider the power of our actions. Let's follow the story of an individual who consistently spreads kindness and compassion. They uplift others, offer support, and contribute positively to their community. As a result, their actions create a ripple effect, fostering improved relationships, a supportive network, and a profound sense of fulfillment. The law of cause and effect beautifully reminds us that our positive actions generate positive effects, shaping our reality and the experiences we encounter. The seventh law is the law of compensation. The law of compensation asserts that the universe rewards our efforts and contributions we receive in proportion to what we give. Let's explore the journey of an entrepreneur who starts a socially conscious business. They are deeply committed to creating value, contributing to the community, and prioritizing ethical practices. As they align their business with their values and serve their customers with excellence, the universe responds by attracting loyal customers, financial success, and a positive reputation. The law of compensation teaches us that our efforts and contributions are recognized and rewarded. The eighth law is the law of perpetual transmutation of energy. The law of perpetual transmutation of energy reveals that energy is constantly transforming from one state to another. We have the power to change and direct this energy. Let's examine the incredible capacity for transformation within ourselves. Imagine a person who consciously shifts their negative emotions into positive ones. Through mindfulness and meditation, they observe and acknowledge their negative feelings, allowing them to be transformed into positive and empowering emotions. By harnessing the power of their thoughts and emotions, they experience a profound shift in their overall well-being. The law of perpetual transmutation of energy highlights our inherent ability to transmute and redirect energy for our highest good. The ninth law is the law of relativity. The law of relativity reminds us that everything is relative and subjective. We can only understand and appreciate something by comparing it to something else. Consider a challenging situation, such as a financial setback. It may seem overwhelming when viewed in isolation. However, when we compare it to someone who's facing even greater difficulties, our perspective shifts. We gain a broader view of our circumstances and cultivate gratitude for the blessings we still possess. The law of relativity teaches us the power of context and helps us to find strength and appreciation in the face of adversity. Law number 10, the law of polarity. The law of polarity explains that everything has two polar opposites. By embracing and understanding both sides, we can find balance and harmony. Let's explore the concept of light and darkness. Without darkness, we wouldn't fully appreciate the brilliance of light. In life, challenges and contrasts help us grow, learn, and evolve. By embracing both the positive and negative aspects of our experiences, we find balance and harmony. The law of polarity teaches us that through understanding and integrating opposing forces, we can navigate life with greater equilibrium, and equanimity. The 11th law is the law of rhythm. The law of rhythm illustrates that everything in the universe operates in a rhythmic pattern with alternating cycles of expansion and contraction. Let's observe the changing seasons as a metaphor for the law of rhythm. Spring and summer represents periods of growth and expansion filled with vibrant energy and life. However, they eventually give way to fall and winter, where nature enters a phase of introspection and dormancy. Just like the rhythm of the seasons, our lives also follow cycles of ebb and flow. By understanding and flowing with these rhythms, we can embrace the natural cycles of life and cultivate greater harmony within ourselves. The last law is the law of gender. The law of gender recognizes the presence of masculine and feminine energies within all individuals in all aspects of creation. Consider the dynamic interplay between masculine and feminine energies. A successful leader embodies both qualities. They make decisive decisions, take action, and demonstrate assertiveness. This is masculine energy. Simultaneously, they foster a supportive and collaborative work environment, cultivate empathy, and embrace intuition, which is feminine energy. By embracing and integrating both aspects within themselves, they embody a balanced and effective approach to leadership. The law of gender reminds us that by honoring and harmonizing masculine and feminine energies within ourselves, we achieve a state of wholeness and empowerment. And there you have it, the 12 universal laws that shape our reality and guide our existence. By understanding and aligning ourselves with these laws, we can navigate life with greater purpose, fulfillment, and harmony. Join me next time as we explore more profound aspects of the universe and our consciousness. Until then, keep exploring and embracing the infinite wisdom of these laws. Remember to always stay positioned in peace and balance. Signing off, Nefertiti.